Convenient piping bag holder keeps prepared bags organized so your royal or buttercream icing colors are always within easy reach. Saves valuable workspace. Holds 6 8 to 16-inch decorating bags. Fully assembled, holder measures 11 by 6.75 by 4.75 in 33.2 x 17, 9 by 12.3 centimeters. Before, first and after each use, wash in warm, soapy water. A must-have for any cake decorator. This decorating bag holder and stand will not only keep your different colors of icing organized and ready to grab when you need them, it also holds your flower nails so your buttercream roses can dry while you do other decorating. Top reviews from the United States. Happy I ordered this. I think this is going to work nicely for me. In the past, I have used glasses to stand up the decorating bags. I would add a very little bit of water in the glass to keep the icing from hardening in the tip. It worked great, but takes up a lot of space. Also, makes a mess if accidentally knocked over. I was pleasantly surprised that this is not big and bulky. The legs fold nicely under. It's going to be easy to store, and definitely take up less space on the table than my glass method. I noticed that they have caps for the decorating tips to prevent the icing from hardening. Yeah, no more water.